Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study with Akshita. So today we are going to discuss about how do people develop food habits. Every state has its own food habits. In our state Telangana, we have our own food habits. Likewise, every state in our country has its own food habits. We get rice from paddy. Whenever you go to villages in Telangana, what do you observe in the fields? Yes, you observe that most of the fields are grown with paddy crops. We get rice from paddy crops. But why is paddy grown mostly? Have you ever thought of this? Because according to the geographical and climatic conditions in our region, paddy is suitable. Okay, paddy is suitable in our region according to the geographical and climatic conditions. Hence, paddy is most widely grown in our state. That is why we use rice as our staple food. Now, this is our country and this is our state, Telangana. We all know that in Telangana, rice is most widely eaten, means it is a staple food. Now, this is other part of our country, or we can say it is another state from our country, and it is Rajasthan. We already know that in Rajasthan, maize, bajra and wheat is grown, right? Now, to stay healthy, we all need to eat food. Without food, we won't get energy because food gives us energy. Without energy, we won't be able to do our activities, right? Daily activities. So, if we don't eat food, we won't get energy. Without energy, how will we do our daily activities? So, food plays a very vital role in our lives. So, it is necessary for us to take food. If we don't take food, we won't get energy. It is like a car without fuel and it won't be able to run. Likewise, if we have to work, we need energy. To get energy, we have to eat healthy food. We should eat all varieties of food items. We should not make a fuss to eat vegetable food items. We should eat all varieties of vegetable food items. So from today onwards, don't make a fuss to eat vegetable food items. Okay? Because it makes you strong and healthy. Because we have learned in 5th class that we get nutrients only if we eat all varieties of food items. You all know what are the nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Only if we have all these nutrients, it is called as a complete food. So have all varieties of food items. Only then you will be able to get all these nutrients and you will be able to stay healthy. You should not say, I like this curry, I don't like that curry, because these are not the good food habits. Hence, you should try to avoid them from now on. So, that's all for today. Thank you.